Got this control arm and working on this Ford Escape, man, 2014. Yeah, I already got those two bolts out that's holding with the sway bar. Now, I'm just trying to get this one off here, but you got to move this bracket. This bracket right here, you got to move it. So I'm about to torque this stud out, and then I'm going to go from there. Finally got those 10mm bolts out, and then you can just move this bracket out the way so you can get to this bolt with that hole right there. Make sure y'all get to that bolt right now. Bolt is out, and control arm drops. Move it out the way. After 10 years of banging, finally got it out. Look at it. Got the new one over here. Look just as identical as you guys can see. Control arm is finishing in. Everything is tightened down and good to go. Don't forget to connect that back.